Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to change the delivery date on Amazon. First, go to Amazon's website and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and List section at the top right corner of the page. In the drop-down menu, click on your orders. Find the order for which you want to change the delivery date. You can use the search or filter options if you have many orders. Next to the order details, there should be an option that says Change Delivery Date. Click on this option. Note that not all orders may be eligible for changing the delivery date, depending on the shipping method and current status of the order. If the option is available for your order, you will be prompted to choose a new delivery date from the available options. Amazon typically provides a calendar or drop-down menu where you can select the desired date. After selecting the new delivery date, confirm the changes. Review the updated delivery details to ensure they are correct. Once you are sure about the new delivery date, submit the changes. Amazon will process the request and update the delivery schedule accordingly. After submitting the changes, you should receive a confirmation message or email from Amazon confirming the updated delivery date of your order. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.